Come close to that and see. Say me the parts of the bird.
Feathers.
Where are the claws? Show me the claws.
Here.
Yeah, show me the beak.
Here.
This bird already died, so I bought it to show you. Or else we shall never harm any creature, no. It was already lying there.
Where, ma'am?
It's by the roadside it was. Turn it back side. Turn the back. Stretch the bird.
See that eye.
Yeah, the eye is still open, no?
Yes.
See how much it is getting stretched, no? See the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A small bird is having these many feathers.
Yes.
That are down feathers, no? Down feathers are useful for covering the body. That are also feathers.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, why there is separately wings in the...
Yeah, separate wings has to be there.
I see. So
To fly, no? It makes convenient in flying.
Wow, very nice.
Parrot is it, no?
Oh.
It's not parrot, it's sparrow.
Sparrow, this is
A kind of a sparrow. It's not exactly sparrow. Show it to me. Which type of claws are there to this bird? Show me.
eagle. Hunter.
Yeah, that's of woodpecker.
Oh.
3 in front, 1 at back. The bird is having this kind of claws.
I also
See?
want. Yes.